Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, hi bestie, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Pheladi and I hope you are still keeping well. If you'd like to see me again, kindly click on the subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on another upload. Bestie, today's makeup tutorial is brought to you by WavyMyHair. WavyMyHair was kind enough to send me their 26-inch highlighted honey blonde wig. It's a 13 by 4 lace closure wig and I will be installing it right now. So as you open the box, the hair comes in this packet right here and it says 26 inches here, and it is a water wave wig, by the way. If I fail to mention that, I'm mentioning it right now. And let's just take it out of this packet quickly. So inside the frontal there's this little, I guess it's to keep the shape of the wig, and look at that. I think curly wigs are starting to become my favorite wigs. I mean, the texture, it doesn't even have that funky smell. You know that smell that I'm talking about, child. So this is how it looks on the inside. You've got 3 combs and 1 at the back to secure if you want to put it directly on your head without any wig cap, but I find that that method hurts if you don't have a wig cap underneath. So that is how, wow, this is how the wig looks. I mean, need I say more? I am so mad about this color. I cannot wait to see how it looks on me because I've had colored wigs before, but they were always short, so I am so psyched to see how this long one is going to look on against my melanin skin. The wig is not too small, bestie. Remember, clever is a little straight back underneath here, so I just need to pull it a bit forward because now I've got this little bump at the back here. Maybe I can take it a bit higher because, wow, child, I'm not prepared to let go of the straight back anytime soon. Hey, so please allow me to enjoy myself. So I've pushed it a bit higher because I placed it a separate wig cap, and now the wig is sitting comfortably on my head. I love how I'm not even going to have to cut with a lot of lace, a lot of the hair, because it's landing just where my wig cap ends. I mean, it just fits my entire head without it being too big or too small. It's actually just right. The fit is just right for my head. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to roll it back because and then I'm going to apply my first layer of got2b glue. Guys, well, what on, yeah, so I'm not going to be using cool air. I will be using my normal warm hair dryer to dry this glue down. And we're going to deal with the front part of the wig first. We're going to deal with the sides when the front part is nice and secure. And now that the glue is semi-dry, I'm going to go in with a layer, 1 spritz layer of the got2b Blasting Freeze Spray. This is not for control because I want my wigs to really be secure and I want them to be laid to the gods. I'm not saying you can't accomplish that with this got2b, but I just love using them in conjunction. Alright, so now that the glue is semi-dry, I'm just going to start pulling the lace forward with the lace. Like that. And I didn't apply any foundation on the lace today because I really want to see how this wig looks without any reinforcements, if you may. I'm going to take my rat tail comb and just I mean, look at that. It's giving scalp. It is giving what it's supposed to give already. Child. Okay, waving my hair. Alright, I'm really happy with this part of with the wig ending here. So I'm going to do the same process of the glues on the side as well. All right, so now that all sides of the wig are nice and secure, I'm just going to, let's just pull it up here for now. Oh my goodness, this wig is so nice and long. Inches, darling. So I'm going to use this elastic to further secure it, to make sure that it's like really secure and laid. I cannot wait to beat this face now that I've got the brows on. The center first. Yeah, I could have treated this lace to a little bit of foundation, but because I'm still going to do my makeup, I'm not that worried. And unlike if I had laid the wig before, after my beat. So I'm not particularly stressed about this grayish cast. A perfect fit if I have ever seen one. Period. Right, bestie, so I have just put a little bit more got to be lasting free spray on the edges of that lace because it was looking a bit jagged and I didn't love the look, especially giving off that whiteness. So I just decided to give it one more spritz so that it can be nice and flat and not flapping backwards. So in here I've got conditioner and a bit of silicone with some water, and I just want you guys to see how this wig looks when she is wet. I love the volume. I love the volume so much. This is a perfect winter wig. If you were looking for a wig to rock this winter that isn't black, WavyMyHair is the place to go. And of course, you'll find all WavyMyHair's details down in the description box, including a discount code that you can use to get your inches, darling. I am in love with this wig. How what? I want to wet it all the way down to the roots, child. Ooh, if I was wearing a bra, I would stand up so you could see. But bonitely, I hope you can see just how like it doesn't tangle at all down to the roots. You can literally see every strand. Yo, Hashem, I absolutely am in love. Perfect for vacays as well. All right, bestie, so this is how the hair looks when it's wet. Like, it just sucks all that volume down. Sorry for that. It just sucks all that volume down and it gives these beautiful luscious curls. I absolutely love both hairstyles from this wig. I don't know if it's more because of this beautiful color or because I am falling in love with wigs. Anyway, child, let's get into this beat. So right now I'm going to apply foundation, and for that I will be using my Sheet Lamp Skinfinite foundation. This is their hydrating one and it's in the shade Hazelnut. Going to do now is I'm just going to take some foundation at the back of my hand just to mesh the frontal with the product that is on my face. This is just a little bit of product, you guys, so please don't go overboard with the foundation because remember there's still going to be contour there and a whole lot of powders, so a little bit goes a long way. So now let's get to the nitty-gritty of this beat. I'm going to do another attempt of UK Girly makeup, child. Let's get into the nitty-gritties of this beat. I'm going to attempt another UK Girly baddie makeup, and for concealer I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Instant Age Eraser Concealer. This one is in the shade Warm Olive. And now to snatch my face, to bring back the curves and the edges and the shadows of my face back, I will be using the Makeup Revolution foundation stick, which is in the shade F18, child. To brighten up my under eye area only, I'm going to be going in with this ZKL HD Lightweight Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer. Okay, so we're gonna let this dry before we blend it out so that it gives us that immaculate full coverage that we're looking for. So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mesh the concealer on my forehead with my contour using my foundation brush as something like a neutralizer. Something that can blend these two products together without taking away any hue from any of the products. Alright, and now to set this concealer, I'm going to go on in with this bronzing palette that I got from David Beauty Cosmetics on Instagram. I don't think I'll ever use setting powder anytime in the near future ever again. For now. Alright, and now to set my foundation, I'm going to go on in with my Yardley pressed powder. Excuse me. I'm going to go in with my Yardley pressed powder, but this one is in the shade Walnut, and I can't show you because it's broken. And now to set my contour, I will be going in with another shade, well, the darkest shade out of that palette from David Beauty Cosmetics. This is giving very much everyday makeup vibes, channel. Alright, for blush, I will be going into the She Glam Lively Leo palette, and I will be taking a mixture of this orange shade and this burnt orange shade right underneath it. You know, I've seen Black Pearl's clients using, she uses an orangish blush, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful on dark skin, and now we are here. I absolutely love what it does, more than any pink blush would do on my skin tone. So I will be going in with a very demure nude lip because I don't want to be too much. Yes, I could go with red, but I feel like a nude okay. And then I will be lining my lips with this Davis eye pencil that I got from my local Chinese mall. And now for the center of my lips, I'm going to go in with a mixture of this golden rose lippy that you can get from Colors. It's transfer proof, you guys, and I will mix it with a bit of the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 55. Alright, bestie, so now I just want to comb this hair onto the side a bit. And do you see how the curls just detangle themselves? Well, they no longer in clusters like when the hair was wet. If you comb through the hair while it's wet, well, it's semi-dry now, it's a bit damp. When I comb through it, this is what happens to the curls, and this is the style that I completely absolutely love. I guess it's because it's getting colder that I am more drawn to this more bushier, more warmer style, but I love it. I just love how it frames my face. I love the color of this wig. It's doing just magic to my melanin skin tone, and yeah, I'm loving the no automatic parting as well. I mean, just look at how beautiful it flows. This wig is stunning, bestie. I do suggest that you do get one colored wig to add to your wigs this year, because black fella all the time, it kind of gets boring sometimes when you only own black wigs. So this will be a nice addition to your wig collection. Thank you so much, WavyMyHair, for sending me this gorgeous 26-inch highlight, the honey blonde highlight 3x4 13x4 lace wig. I absolutely love it, and I know you beauties are going to love it as well. I mean, bona fide now. What? Need I say more? I'm not even going to say more because this wig, it just sells itself. I mean, bona fide. It really just does its own talking. So bestie, let me just quickly put on my lashes and then I'm going to say goodbye. Let me know in the comments which style do you prefer. Do you prefer when it's blown out like this, or do you prefer the more wet looking look? Because I am I'm on the fence actually right now. I don't know which one I prefer, but I can tell you one thing, that both hairstyles on the very same wig, mind you, they look absolutely fantastic for any outing. But I love me some big hair, shame. So I think the big hair is it for me. I mean, look at all of these inches, child. What? This is like 28. It doesn't even look, oh, it doesn't even look like 26 inches, the way it is like so long. I love long wigs. I love the length. It makes me feel like a land mermaid, because people Jersey, I mean. So let's just leave that land mermaid, because wow, what a big mane, laddie, what a big mane. Obviously, we have made it to the end of today's makeup tutorial featuring WavyMyHair. All the details of WavyMyHair will be down in the description box, and there's a discount code for you there as well. And if you like this video, kindly click on this one to watch next, because I know you're gonna love that one as well. And if you haven't already, my darling, please subscribe to my channel and show me some love. I will catch up with you again in my next one. Bye.